The Redragon K745 PRO Keyboard offers an innovative design that replaces traditional screws with precision-locked covers and gaskets, enhancing both noise reduction and flexibility. This keyboard features advanced tri-mode connection technology, allowing users to switch seamlessly between USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0 or 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. Equipped with custom Mint Mambo Switches, this keyboard provides a smooth and cozy typing experience, compatible with nearly all 3 or 5-pin switches. The Redragon K745 PRO is designed with multiple layers of noise-dampening materials, including a silicone gasket, ensuring a quiet and satisfying typing experience. Its ergonomic design features 2-stage adjustable feet and mixed-color keycaps, which enhance comfort and add a personalized touch to your gaming setup. With a full-size layout of 108 keys and additional hotkeys, the keyboard offers anti-ghosting capabilities and convenience for both work and gaming.